Curious about the keto diet but not sure where to start? This video covers everything you need to know to kickstart your keto journey. From understanding the basics to practical tips for success, we've got you covered. Watch now to learn how the keto diet can transform your health and lifestyle. Everything you need to get started on the keto diet. The ketogenic diet or keto diet is not a diet fad or a new diet. Although over the last few years, the keto diet has received a lot of attention, both positive and negative, the keto diet has been around for almost 100 years. Keto was created by doctors in 1924 to treat epilepsy, and more recently is studied as a treatment for diabetes. The basic explanation of the keto diet is focusing on low carbs while feeding your body what it needs to be healthy, while at the same time getting rid of the toxins that make you feel tired, slow, and quite frankly, like crap. The keto diet is a low or zero carb diet, but it's a little different from other low carb diets in that it manipulates the ratios of carbs, fats, and protein to switch to fat as your body's primary source of fuel. Our bodies are used to using carbs as fuel. Fat, our secondary source of fuel, is rarely tapped, which means the extra fat and glucose is stored and keeps adding on the pounds. On the keto diet, your body uses fat for fuel instead of storing it, so weight loss comes easy. So what exactly is wrong with a high-carb diet? Well, our bodies use both carbohydrates and fats as fuel to feed us and keep us moving. But when we eat carbohydrates, they're converted into glucose. Then insulin enters the bloodstream to process the glucose. Excess glucose is transported to your muscles and tissues for storage. When they're full, the remaining is stored as fat cells. So the more carbs you consume in your daily diet, the less fat is being burned for energy. Then the spike in insulin will result in more fat storage. When you consume less carbohydrates, the glucose stored is used up and your body is forced to switch over to burning fat as fuel, which is exactly what you want. Your body goes into a state called ketosis, which is where the name of this diet comes from. Ketosis is a natural occurrence that happens when you don't feed your body enough carbohydrates and it's forced to look for energy elsewhere. You've probably experienced ketosis when you've missed a meal or have exhausted your body with vigorous exercise. Ketosis helps the body survive on less food, and when you're in ketosis, you train your body to utilize fats as the main source of energy instead of carbs, simply because there is close to zero carbs to begin with. During ketosis, the liver breaks down fats into ketones, which enables the body to use the fat as energy. During a keto diet, we don't starve ourselves of calories, you starve the body of carbohydrates. Whenever this happens, your body helps you out by raising its level of ketones. However, most people eat enough sugar and carbs to keep ketosis from happening. We love our sugar and carbs no matter how bad they are for us, and our bodies will happily use them as fuel. And since our bodies want to help us out, it turns any excess glucose into fat and stores it for future use. Stored fat translates into belly fat that you never want. The more you restrict your carbohydrate consumption, the more your body will produce ketones. It really has no other options. When we restrict the amount of carbohydrates that we eat, our body will provide us with energy, but it has to turn to another source. And that alternate source is fat that was so thoughtfully stored for emergencies. The result is ketosis. It happens when our body breaks down the fat into fatty acids and glycerol. Researchers have discovered most of what they know about ketosis from people who fast, thereby depriving them of all sources of energy. After 2 days of fasting, the body is starting to produce ketones as it breaks down the available protein and begins to use stored fat for fuel. Ketosis is the natural process the body goes through when deprived of other sources of energy. Obviously, going on a ketogenic diet is healthier than fasting. Ketogenic should become a lifestyle, not a quick weight loss method. One of the main reasons it's so beneficial is that ketones offer protection against diseases and damages that can affect the body. The keto diet is an easy diet, but some people do miss beans and bread. It takes a bit of getting used to, but starting anything new is challenging. But ultimately, you'll feel so much better both physically and mentally that you'd be happy to avoid carbs once and for all. and being able to eat bacon on a diet does have its rewards. The ketogenic diet is not a fad. Many scientific studies have shown the benefits and healing effects of ketosis. Discuss the ketogenic diet with your doctor if you're interested in consuming less sugar, losing weight, or as a preventative measure against vulnerable health problems. So what I eat for breakfast every day that keeps my hunger at bay is I start off with a cup of coffee with 2 tablespoons of heavy cream and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, which gives the coffee a unique taste, almost an island flavor. Then I have 3 scrambled eggs with cheddar cheese and spinach, 2 pieces of bacon, and an avocado salted with sea salt. Now, I'm not a fan of guacamole, but I do enjoy my eggs and avocado for breakfast every day. It's the perfect mix of protein and fats, and it helps keep me on track all day. So I know you want your weight problem solved, and you want it solved now, and as easy and as cheap as possible. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. And as always, if you want more videos on the keto lifestyle, make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell to be notified when we release a new video. Thanks for watching. And that's everything you need to know to get started on the keto diet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and guides on living a healthier keto-friendly lifestyle. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.